tune by our very good friend, Mr. Paul Simon.
Yeah, it's a song called Kodachrome. Hit it, animal!
Yeah, okay, that's done.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Marakai.
Like the most awkwardest hi everybody I've heard in my life. Jesus.
Hey, let's see if this worked. I haven't even checked my avatar list yet. Yo, it's there.
I'd love to find out. I'd love to find out that you completely fucked up the sizing.
I'm okay with fucking up the sizing. Hello there. Is the mouth even moving? It doesn't move on my screen.
Yes, it is. It is. It's moving.
Is it fucked up moving?
Oh my god. The actual showing the polys in it is amazing. That's good.
Low poly Kermit.
value that alone.
Low poly Kermit. I made
I
this
love
in
that so much.
4 hours and 20 minutes, bro. 420. Hell yeah. That's dank as fuck.
Hey, Ballzy, I love my avatar.
I like it. It's good. Yeah, it's even
Do
better.
you know how hard it was to actually get the actual ears to work with it? I haven't sorted out the color.
So it's a humanoid Braxton.
Yes.
Yeah, and look at the color of the background of this avatar in your social tab.
Oh, give me a second.
It hurts my eyes.
Social. Oh god, it's just pure orange.
It hurts my eyes so much. I love it.
It's good. It's good.
Dear God. Oh.
I think that's going to be
That
one of my
one's
signatures for these low poly models is have a really harshly contrasting color for the background.
This map is a bit angry.
Yeah, I'm gonna see this is actually lit up as well. Hell yeah! It lights up. Sweet.
Oh dear.
Hey, so do I.
The next thing I need to try out is the emotes.
I'm still apparently in VR. Like thing.
Yo, this thing would actually work in VR. I'm able to turn my head without the body turning. I can still. This thing could work in VR, dude.
Dear God.
One sec, I'm gonna go outside and
See
go
that
check.
running at you from out of nowhere. All because you turn a corner. You're gonna make people scream.
Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna see if the emotes work. Wave. It works okay, I guess. Better than some other ones. Clap.
I'm
Hey,
really
the claps
curious if
work.
it would work in VR. Like, if
Ah,
you crouch,
points.
you just sort of fold up into it.
It should actually work because it's got all the fingers there and whatnot. Dance. Yeah. Backflip. Backflip works. Sweet. Die.
My phone just randomly restarted. Shit.
Sadness.
This is fine.
Hi there, I'm not Kermit the Frog.
You're his less fortunate cousin.
I'm the insect. I'm the nest frog. Okay, let's see what the emotes look like. It was sitting, laughing. Ha 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 ha. I should probably put like the outline shader on this to actually see the details of the fingers. Do you think I should put an outline shader on this?
Yeah, I guess. You're gonna go a bit over the top with the arm. Gonna make it ISO.
No, I'll leave it at this for now. Drumming.
One punch Kana.
Clap. Angry fist. Disbelief.
No, it's not one punch Kana.
His hands go in his mouth in disbelief. Oh
Yeah,
gosh.
it just looks like he's hungry and he's trying to eat his hands.
No, no, no. Disapproval. No, 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 no. Oh my, I'm happy.
How do
with
I
this.
look on your screen?
You look like you're crouching down. With your hands back.
Does it look like a really awkward angle?
Yeah,
I
it
don't know, but
is.
you know what I do need to do?
I'm stuck.
Come into the dark room.
Oh no. I'm going to die.
you go.
I've lost you. Oh. Oh no.
Look what I made.